President William Ruto's directive to lift the ban on logging has suffered a setback after the Environment and Lands Court stopped its implementation until a case filed by the Law Society of Kenya is heard and determined. Justice Oscar Angote has also ordered those farming in forests under the Plantation Establishment and Livelihood Improvement Scheme to stop as the case is heard. LSK, in his petition, had argued that government is endangering the delicate balance of nature, promoting deforestation and threatening the livelihoods of communities that rely on the forests for their sustenance. The story was produced by our very own Jorogi Gatete.
The exercise of harvesting trees that began in earnest a month ago after President William Ruto announced the lifting of a moratorium has been halted. An order issued by Justice Oscar Angote of the Environment and Lands Court has suspended the exercise pending hearing and determination of a case filed by the Law Society of Kenya. The court has also stopped the government from licensing or allowing exploitation of forest resources. Farmers who had returned to forests to plant crops after the introduction of the Pellis program, also known as the Shamba system, have also been affected by the court order. The court has also directed Environment CS Soipan Tuya, Kenya Forest Service and the National Environment Management Authority to avail policy directive that has been issued, gazette notices, environmental impact assessment reports, public participation reports, management reports and the implementation matrix of the task force report on forest resource management and logging developed before the issuance of the directive by the President. LSK in their petition had argued that the government had not provided scientific reasons, research, policy directives, environmental assessment impact, nor done public participation in areas likely to be affected before lifting the ban. LSK says the decision is endangering the delicate balance of nature, promoting deforestation and threatening the livelihoods of countless communities that rely on the forest for their sustenance. The Law Society of Kenya has also raised concerns that the destruction of forests through unchecked logging, degazettement of areas under forests, and the reintroduction of Shamba system has a devastating impact on the country's water towers, which are increasingly drying up. President William Ruto at a press conference at State House on Wednesday defended the decision to lift the moratorium and allow harvesting in 5,000 hectares of forest land, saying measures had been put in place to curb illegal logging.
I want, for avoidance of doubt, that will not be an occasion to reverse our tree planting exercise. What we are doing, we are going to make sure that that exercise does not lead to what we have seen in the past. And it is the reason why this year we have hired an extra 1,500 forest officers, including wardens, to make sure that we take full charge of the exercise around our forests.
The case is expected to be heard on August 14th